Welcome to Webgility ReCap, a series of videos aimed at getting you started using Webgility. In this video, we'll go over the posting settings for your customers in QuickBooks Point of Sale. If you've already completed the connection for your store or accounting software, you can get there by clicking Integrations, Accounting, POS, ERP, and finally Posting Settings. This video will specifically cover the Customers tab. Customers are fairly straightforward, but there are a few things to be aware of here. At the top, you'll see matching criteria for orders. This means we'll take the information from your online order and try to match it to QuickBooks customers using the criteria you select from the dropdown. Generally, you want to keep this as straightforward and simple as possible, as the more variables you add to the matching criteria, the less likely QuickBooks is going to be able to match them. First name, last name is always a good starting point, but some people would prefer to use things like email if they already have that information in POS. The next setting is going to determine what Webgility does when we cannot find a matching customer in point of sale. For connections like Amazon, or for people who don't store specific customer information, you may want to go with the use this customer for all orders, and then map everything to a specific or default customer, sort of a catch-all inside of QuickBooks. For Amazon, this is generally because they don't give you accurate or complete customer information, so you're better off creating a one-size-fits-all Amazon customer and having all of your online orders route there. For other stores, or those who want to track everything they can individually, you can have Webgility create a new customer when it doesn't find a match. Generally, you can keep the settings default here, unless you use customer types or want to change the last name if blank field in the event that the customer does not use a last name. Be aware if using this field and changing it to something like the billing first name or shipping first or last name, it's going to create a customer that technically, or a person that technically doesn't exist inside of QuickBooks. Make sure to hit save and continue, and you'll be taken to the final area of the posting settings, sales tax. We'll go over that in our next video, but for now, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.